from amides. From amides formula RCONH2. As we discussed in earlier, add any acid with water and heat this, we get carboxylic acid plus ammonia. So with amides it's the same story. Next, from acyl halides. From acyl halides, how to prepare them? Let us take one example of acyl halide. Acetyl chloride I am going to take, CH3COCl. Wherever you see acyl group, CH3CO group is said to be acyl group, remember. This halide means maybe fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Mostly I will use chlorine and bromines. This acyl halide on reaction with acids, on reaction with water, or I can use any acid, it's very simple. It breaks as H plus and OH minus. These electrons are taken by chlorine. Chlorine gets negative, carbon gets positive. Plus attacks on minus, minus attacks on plus. So we get carboxylic acid with HCl. It is one of the product. Yeah, in place of this water, if I add a base with water is compulsory. Okay, everywhere I am adding water, remember that. Base with water, if I add, what happens? This base, which is NaOH, breaks into Na plus and OH minus. So as carbon has positive charge, on this positive, negative OH will be attacking, and that Cl combines with Na and forms NaCl. This is called a side product, which I am writing down. Next, now let's see. But here a base is there. Because of this base, this whatever the product I got is acid, reacts with the base, it forms a salt. This sodium breaks, NaOH breaks as Na plus and OH minus. Here between O and H, electrons are taken by oxygen. So plus attacks on minus, minus attacks on plus. That is how we got. Means when I add a base with water, with acyl halides, I get a salt, but not directly carboxylic acid. To get carboxylic acid, add any acid. If I add acid, then we get carboxylic acid. That is how we prepare carboxylic acid from acyl halides. Next, similar, same way, if I can prepare from esters. Esters formula generally CH3 CO O, any R group also I can take. RCOR is ester. Ester on reaction with water. So everywhere I am using water only if you see this. This water breaks as H plus and OH minus. So it is called hydrolysis. We call this as hydrolysis only because I am using water here. These electrons are taken by oxygen. Oxygen gets negative, carbon gets positive. Positive attacks on negative, negative attacks on positive. Means this bond is totally broken. That means we get a CH3, CO. On this positive, we got minus, OH is a minus, plus CH3, O. On this O minus, which is attacked by plus, I got alcohol. Carboxylic acid with alcohol. So This is also said to be hydrolysis only. Hydrolysis of esters. I hope it's clear to you. Next, from anhydrides. How to prepare carboxylic acids from anhydrides? Anhydrides means generally the formula will be like this: RCOOCOR. This group is repeated. That is why we write like this: RCO taken twice O. With one oxygen, if two function groups are attached, we call that as anhydrides. Even anhydrides also, when you are reacting with water, then only we get a carboxylic acids. It is also said to be hydrolysis. Let us take one example. R means take any alkyl group. This is one of the ester. React with water, as we said earlier, breaks as H plus OH minus. These electrons are taken by oxygen. Oxygen gets negative, carbon gets positive. Positive attacks on negative, negative attacks on positive. So we get a CH3 CO O. This O is negative, negative gets positive OH. Plus similarly CH3CO, C is positive attacked by OH. So we get a CH3COOH. So we get carboxylic acids. From anhydride also it is carboxylic acid only. Okay. I think I am clear till now. Still, we have these are the functions we have taken till now. So from aldehydes, from alcohols, from acyl halides, from esters, from cyanides, from anhydrides, from amides. We may have 7 function groups, but method of preparation is very simple. From these 2 function groups, if you want to prepare, just follow oxidation. From remaining things, just hydrolysis. Very simple. So broadly dividing, when you're discussing the preparation of carboxylic acids, we have 2 methods. One is oxidation, one is hydrolysis. Oxidation of aldehydes and alcohols. Hydrolysis of acyl halides, esters, cyanides, anhydrides, amides. You can mix all these things into one category. So for preparation of carboxylic acids, we have only 2 methods. When it comes to aromat,